Okay, this is our topic, subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. A over B minus C over B, so that is equal to A minus C over B. So, copy natin yung common denominator. Ang ginawa natin sa numerator ay i-subtract. Okay? Kasi subtracting tayo eh. So, let's have example. 12 over 4m minus 9 over 4m. Okay? So, since similar, kasi similar rational algebraic expression ito, kopyahin natin yung common denominator. Okay? So, yung common denominator is 4m. Okay? And then, yung sa ating numerator ay isubtract natin. 12 minus 9. Okay? So, equals 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3 over, kopyahin natin yung common denominator na 4m. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.